Hi, Fat Andy, yeah? Right, somebody messaged me last week, or over the weekend, I think it was, and said about Lidl have got some new Cornish pasties out. So, and they're supposed to be, well, I don't know how true it is, but I don't know if he heard this or he's tried them, but they're supposed to be better than their top of the range pasties they do. So, I was in there today, so I picked the pack up. They're new. So I thought, right, Cornish pasties. Nothing like a good pasty, but they got to be good, basically. So what was it okay was, I'll tell you what, like whatever Cornish, there's 3 in there. My boy could have one when he come home tonight. But I thought, right, what we'll do, we'll have 1 each, and we'll have a jacket potato with it and some beans and everything. So, and try these things out, and we'll review it and see basically what it's all about. So, right, I think, let me just put my glasses on because I've got the receipt here. These 3 traditional pasties, £2.05 they were for the 3, and they're new at Lidl. So let's get a closer look at them. And here we are, beef and veg pasties. Yeah, ready now in a minute. So whether these are pre-cooked, I don't know. These from the chilled section. We've got like a 12th of May on there. Let's flip these over. Now, I was actually, I still want to do it. I still want to make some Cornish pasties on this channel. I just didn't have a chance. Right, not for the EU, little GB mark on there. Peters is a proud partner of Velindere Cancer Charity. With 1 in 2 of us facing cancer, Velindere, I don't know how you pronounce that, work is vital. Your support funds research specialists, nurses and essential care for patients and family across Wales. Oh, okay. Scan the QR code to donate today. So there's a little QR code there you get with it. Together we will achieve victory over cancer. Oh, right, okay. Didn't know that. What does it say on here? Enjoy hot or cold. Right, these are the ingredients. Right, sorry, it's gone out, folks. Marinated beef, potato, onion, carrot and swede wrapped in puff pastry. That's your ingredients you get in here, as you can see. I'm just going to scan along. We've got allergens in there of egg, milk and barley. You can see that in there. You got marinated beef at 17%. Yeah, and just say about the allergies and that. Nutritional information is there if anyone wants to take a look at it. Sorry about the light on there. Yeah, and this is the way heating instructions. For best results, heat in an oven, which will do that. Remove all packaging and ensure food is piping hot before serving. Do not reheat. So yeah, fan oven 170, 25 to 30 minutes. I'll probably put that actually into the air fryer oven. That'll probably go a little bit quicker than that. Oh, air fryer, you can do it here, like 20 minutes. Microwave too. I'm not going to microwave it. Pastry goes soft and, you know, well, you all know what it goes like. So yeah, we're just definitely going to oven this. So yeah, send us your thoughts, etc. So I thought, right, let's try it. So let's get them open and have a look at them. Right, let's get these things open. So these are new. They look quite big. Look at them. Well, they do. I hope they taste nice. I say they are ready to eat, but what we're going to do with these, heat 2 up in the oven. We'll have them for our tea with some beans and nice jacket potato and stuff. But wow, I'm quite surprised at the size of them, and especially for the price as well. As long as they taste good. £2.05. I'm quite impressed with that, really, for something like that. Right, we'll get these cooked up. we'll get some beans cooked up. Fancy jacket potatoes tonight. And yeah, we'll go from there. Right, catch you in a bit. But that's the pasties done in there. Right, I've actually dropped that down to 130 because I set this for 20 minutes like I said. I had it on 160 to start off with, and I'll tell you, and I thought after about 7 or 8 minutes I thought sod that, I brought it down to 130 because as you can see in now that it really started to do now, so we're going to pull them out in a minute and we'll have a taste test. I will say they are really smelling nice in that oven. You know, I just hope they taste as nice because for £2.05 for 3 of those, to me, like a damn good bargain, so we'll find out anyway. Right, there we go. That is the pasty. We've got a nice big pile of beans there and a jacket potato with cheese. That's mine. That's Kay's piled up like a mountain. She didn't want so many beans as me. But yeah, it's all about these pasties. So let's get started. Wait a minute. Right, here we go then. Right, I'm going to cut mine. I'm going to let Kay dive in. I'm going to mess about because that's what I do. So what we're going to do, let's get this up on this board. Move you guys forward a bit. So it's all about this pasty. I mean, they look lovely. That's come out gorgeous. And I'm quite impressed on how big they are. I just want to cut this thing open so you people can see what filling you're getting in there. There you go, you can see everything in there. A little bit of an air gap at the top, but come on, look, we're talking £2.05 there for 3, which I'm quite impressed with. So, yeah, let's just get on with it. Let's get you back up. Kay's diving in, she ain't started up. Have you done your pasty yet?
Yeah, it's nice.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
I like it. You dived in there well, girl. Look, you're making that bleep again. I'm just going to cut. That's quite well filled to the end as well, there, to be honest.
Yeah, I thought that, so I cut an end bit off. I don't use, you're a...
What?
You've tried different Cornish pasties before.
Well, I can't call these Cornish because they're not made in Cornwall. But yes, I have. I have tried the proper ones as well.
Pasties.
I have to find the right ones because otherwise it end up giving me heartburn.
So what do you think? What's your verdict?
Let me just have another go on this bit. Because,
well, I thought they were all right, but...
Yeah, I am. I'm thinking that at the moment.
I haven't really had many Cornish pasties in my life. Me.
The seasoning and everything, if that's well seasoned, I don't know.
There didn't seem a lot of... It's nice, but I don't know if there was a lot of flavour, was there?
I can taste a slight bit of pepper in that.
Yeah.
That's not too bad. That's not too bad for the price, I'll tell you. I think I'd do probably a little bit of salt to it, just to lift that a little bit.
Yeah.
Honest opinion, flavour, I rate about 6 out of 10. That's me. What do you think? No, don't just agree with me if you think that's better, because I'm just going on what I've tried in the past. That's nice. It's not awful at all. I think that lack a little bit of salt. I do.
Yeah.
Yes.
I thought
because salt do tend to lift. I'm just gonna try something now, but I think, and I honestly think this, for £2.05. I honestly think
there is a little. Needs a little bit more flavour in.
A little bit of salt on that now. That's better. That's a lot better. You got that peppery stuff. A little bit peppery, which is nice.
It is a little bit peppery. I can taste that.
But that's, you add a little bit of salt on that and that lift that. Now, I would give that probably 7.5 if that had that salt. But would I have them again? You know, funny enough, I would. Funny enough. I would like to try one cold, actually. To be fair, I don't mind cold pie, stuff like that. But I don't think that's too bad, I don't, myself. What would you give that, seriously?
Give it a 7.5.
Kay's gone for 7.5. I've gone for 6. I will stick with 6 the way it tasted from the start. But don't let it put anybody off. I think they're worth trying. I do. And for £2.05, I think nowadays that's a bloody good bargain. I really do. Since I put that salt on that, it's bloody gorgeous. Try them. Get yourself a pack, new and little. Do them, and then try them and tell me what you think. I'd love to know you in the comments if you had them. I reckon they ain't too bad at all. Right, we're off to enjoy this before it's go cold. Got a big old jacket potato here with a mountain of cheese and beans on. I want to get that down my neck before it go cold. Thumbs up if you like this. Give us your comments below if you tried these yet. They're new in Lidl, £2.05 for 3. Yes, I think they're worth it. Plus, take the work for a snack as well. But what do you get for £2.05 nowadays? 3 big old Cornish pasties. It's not bad. Well, we can't call them Cornish because they're not done in Cornwall.
Well, they call them pasties on the packet.
Pasties, yeah. Meat and veg pasties. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so to help the channel. And we will catch you lovely people, hopefully, in the next one.
Yeah,
Thanks
ya.
for watching.
Bye.
Cheers. Bye.